Hey, I have an 8-in-1 spin scrubber here for you. These things are a lot of fun, but they're also very practical. They're gonna make your job just a little bit easier, which I like. I was gifted this by the brand, so I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. So before we get to cleaning with this, I'll just show you what you get. So here's the spin scrubber. All of the attachments just snap on like this, very easy. You're gonna get 3 pivot points here. You're gonna get a 45 degree, so you're gonna get a 90 degree as well. Then of course you can go straight with this. You are gonna get an adjustable handle. You got the flat scrubber, the round scrubber, and then you've got this corner scrubber. Here is your pad holder. These go on like that. You've got a scrub pad, you got a scouring pad, another scouring pad, and then you've got this sponge pad. They're also giving you this microfiber cloth pad. I haven't quite figured out where I wanna hang this up, but this comes with adhesive. Gonna go to the back, stick this on the wall, and then you can hang this spin scrubber by the handle. This is USB-C chargeable. They do give you a little cord with that. It's got a digital screen to tell you how much battery life you have. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. All right, so I'll just give you a close up here, but you can see how that corner brush gets really nicely into that. Look at that. It's got a lot of power to it. I'm pushing pretty hard. We'll go ahead and wipe down this grout. See how it cleaned this grout up real nice. Look at how dirty this baseboard is. I've got all kinds of junk under there. This is perfect. Look at this. This is saving so much strain on my shoulder area from having to like lean in this weird position. And imagine having to take a brush down there and go back and forth and back and forth. All I'm doing here is just moving this along. So it's got this scouring pad, which is gonna be great for appliances. So we'll just pop this tip off, pop that tip on. I love the 90-degree adjustability. Can you imagine having to like hold this like upright? So it's the perfect angle for the wrist. And I've just got this on 1. I'm not trying to polish this, I wanna scrub it. So I like using the lower RPM to scrub, right? Give you a close up here. Look at how good that did. Okay, and that's the green scouring pad. We'll go ahead and turn it to a 2. So here's the area that I focused on. Do you see all this? Look, all that was on there. You saw before it was covering this area. All I had on there was a little bit of baking soda with that scouring pad. And I was, look at that. It's legit, man. That worked great. So you definitely can clean up your stainless steel pans with this thing. Maybe you've looked at these spin scrubbers before and you've thought they were kind of gimmicky. And I've actually thought that myself along the line, but just using this, you saw, I'm actually genuinely impressed that it was able to take the buildup off the bottom of my stainless steel pan. So if you're in the market for a good spin scrubber, this is definitely gonna work for you. Pick it up. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.